Welcome back my YouTube channel Top Cars TV. The 2026 Volkswagen Limousine Motorhome is turning heads as the automotive world gets its first glimpse at this futuristic fusion of elegance and adventure. Priced at a steep $300,000, this luxury RV isn't just a vehicle, it's a statement of comfort, innovation, and prestige on wheels. Designed to cater to elite travelers who crave the freedom of the open road without sacrificing the indulgence of premium living, the Limousine Motorhome is poised to redefine what luxury means in the RV space. Volkswagen's design team has taken inspiration from high-end limousines and combined it with the rugged utility of motorhomes, resulting in a sleek, elongated profile that looks more at home on a red carpet than a campground. The bumper and side detailing are sculpted with aerodynamic precision, wrapped in a seamless blend of aluminium and carbon fiber accents. Integrated LED lighting gives the vehicle a modern glow, especially noticeable during nighttime travel or while parked at high-end RV resorts. Step around to the back, and you'll find a rear design that emphasizes form as much as function. A powered lift gate opens to reveal a smart cargo area capable of storing bikes, fold-out chairs, and even a compact electric scooter. The bumper features embedded sensors and an advanced 360-degree camera system to assist with parking and navigation in tight spaces, so ideal for those bringing their luxury RV into urban environments or crowded national parks. Inside, the Volkswagen Limousine Motorhome truly shines. It feels more like a private jet than a camper van. The cabin is outfitted with Italian leather seating, real wood paneling, and ambient lighting that adjusts automatically based on time of day. The centerpiece is a smart control panel that governs everything from climate settings and window tints to entertainment and security features. Voice control and gesture recognition are standard, and the 4K OLED screens throughout provide crystal clear media experiences for both work and play. Please like and subscribe my YouTube channel Top Cars TV. The living quarters include a full-size retractable bed, a modular lounge that transforms into a dining or working area, and a kitchenette with top-of-the-line appliances. The bathroom feels like it belongs in a boutique hotel, complete with rainfall shower, heated floors, and smart mirrors. Energy is handled by a hybrid system, combining a plug-in electric powertrain with solar panels on the roof and a compact diesel generator for extended off-grid capability. Set to launch in late 2026. The Limousine Motorhome is being marketed not just to retirees or van lifers, but to digital nomads, executives, and luxury enthusiasts looking for a mobile second home. Volkswagen has teased limited production numbers, which only increases the vehicle's exclusivity. Early reservations are reportedly filling up fast, especially among European and North American buyers. The 2026 Volkswagen Limousine Motorhome isn't just another, it's the future of road travel, wrapped in a high-end shell of style, tech, and sophistication. Whether parked by the ocean or rolling through the mountains, this $300,000 luxury ride offers a taste of freedom that money really can buy. Welcome back my YouTube channel Top Cars TV.